How to add link in resume in Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So over here we have our very simple resume, and let's say we want to be able to add a link. Let's say our LinkedIn. So all you need to do is to simply select the text and click on right click, and you should then be able to see here the link option, or you could press Ctrl+K, and over here just simply type in LinkedIn or your whatever link that you're trying to add, and simply click on done, and it should be added to your resume over here. So even if you download this as a PDF, you should then be able to still access the link because it's directly embedded, as you can see. So you can simply click this and it will redirect you to LinkedIn or whatever link that you have chosen to add into your resume. So that's basically it, guys. If you want to be able to do this and many more, simply click the link in the description below to be able to test out all of Canva's feature after you receive a free 30-day free trial of Canva Pro.